Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we will create a beautiful Ganga Mata look for a school fancy dress competition in just 5 minutes. Using simple makeup, a divine blue eye look and traditional accessories, we will transform your little ones into a graceful goddess. From moisturizer glow to sparkling divine eyes to crown and gajra, stay with us to see the magical final transformation. Let's get started. So guys, first start with a clean face to keep the skin fresh and healthy. Now apply a gentle moisturizer to keep the skin soft and protected. Massage it lightly so it absorbs well. Hydrate skin gives a natural divine glow, and this glow is perfect for creating our beautiful goddess look. So guys, now let's create a divine eye look. Apply light blue eyeshadow to represent flowing river water. Add a thin blue eyeliner for soft definition, and add a silver glitter on the eyelid for a divine shine. Finish with a small kajal line to enhance the eyes. Blue shades symbolize the sacred river and purity. Apply soft pink blush for a healthy glow. Use light pink or a red lipstick. Keep it soft and child friendly. Place a small red bindi at the center of the forehead. Add a tiny white dot above it for a spiritual touch if you like, and tie the hair into a neat bun. Add a small crown or silver head pieces and wrap a gajra around the bun for a traditional goddess look. Dress in white or light blue attire. Add a dupatta for a divine appearances. A little is ready to blaze the stage. So guys, if you like this easy fancy dress look, like, share and subscribe for more kids competition ideas. Till then, bye, take care and thank you for watching my video.